Ahoy and welcome to Microwave Me. Today your captain is going to be microwaving a nice big juicy pear, and he's hoping that in the microwave it'll warm up and become a nice delicious treat. And who's going to be heating it up? Demi, the microwave, of course. Alright, now we set up the microwave. Put the pear into the microwave, like so. Don't want to stand up. Oh, well. Now we set it up. We do it for about 2 minutes. Then we set it up like so, and then turn off the lights for dramatic effect. Wait, did I say dramatic effect? I meant so you can actually see the damn thing being microwaved. Alright, now let's examine the post-product and see what we've done. We have cooked a pear. Wait, I don't even think I need the precision spatula for this. It's just fruit. And you look at that, a freshly cooked pear. It's a little warm, a little softer, nothing bad happened. So this is a certified good idea. Feel free to try this one at home. Although just to be sure nothing happens, poke a little slit in it.